Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying model and warranty, because that determines repair paths and replacements. Once done, check the port, cable, and dongle for visible wear. Minor frays can cause audio dropouts. Make sure the battery is charged above 50% and the headset appears in device lists. Then install or update Logitech GHUB or the appropriate app so firmware and driver tools are available. These early checks prevent wasted effort and let you move quickly to targeted fixes. Once the app is ready, update headset firmware to resolve known bugs. Firmware fixes low-level audio or mic issues. If problems persist, reset audio profiles in GHUB and remove, then re-add the device so settings refresh. On Windows, set the headset as default playback and recording, disable enhancements, and consider rolling back drivers if a recent update broke audio. On Mac or consoles, forget and repair Bluetooth. Test wired mode to isolate wireless faults, and you now focus on hardware isolation. Swap cables and dongles, use different USB ports, and test the headset on another computer to confirm whether the issue is local. If you're comfortable, open the ear cup to inspect connectors and solder joints. Resolder loose wires or replace a damaged jack because physical breaks often cause intermittent sound. Once repaired, retest firmware and levels. If problems remain, document what you tried, include photos and logs, and contact Logitech support to request an RMA or professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.